Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to connect this laptop to your monitor. So in order to connect your laptop to your monitor, you have to use one of the two available ports on the right side of your PC. You can use the DisplayPort into which you can insert the USB Type-C cable that supports DisplayPort type connections, and an HDMI port right here. So you gotta have one of the two cables, and you connect one of the two cable sides. For example, like this one HDMI, you have to plug it into the HDMI port on your computer, and then plug in the other side of the cable into the monitor, then plug in the monitor into to the power source. And once you do all of that, of course, if you don't have the according port for connection on your monitor, you can use an adapter. So connect the the HDMI cable into the adapter and connect the adapter into your monitor. After that, in order to project the image from your laptop to the monitor, you have to use the combination of keys, which is Windows P. Once you press Windows P, you can choose one of the two projection types. The first one is duplicate, which will duplicate the image of your laptop to your monitor, or extend, which will extend the image between your monitor and the laptop. And this way you can select the options of projections. So as long as your monitor is plugged into the power source and is connected to this laptop, you don't have to do anything else. Simply select the projection type, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.